Hi guys, today I'm finishing off the last video where we made slime, and I said to put it in the fridge for 20 minutes and I've put it in, and that is what we came out with. So if you look, it's really slimy. One sec, let's put it down on the table. Oh my, yeah, it like sticks to your fingers so much, because this stuff is not meant to be a slime at all. Oh my god. Whoa. This has actually turned out well. Oh yeah, and we are in my bedroom and not in the thing what I'm going to do most of my experiments in, because I haven't built it yet, and this is really cool. And I've only made a little bit because I didn't know if it was going to work. So you can make how much you want. If you had a full bottle you could make loads, but not much. After a while you actually lose nearly 10-50% of it, because it sticks to the place a lot. Tell me in the comments down below if you want me to do more DIY, and this is what I mean by it sticks to the table. See how it was all in the middle last time? You don't really pick it up that well on camera though. So if you haven't seen the last video, go and check it out and it'll show you how to make it. And if you don't want it pink, like I have it, you can put some, if you're a girl you might want it pink, but if you're a boy, put some blue food colouring in it or something like that. And this is a really weird feeling. How am I going to turn the camera off like this? That should be it for today guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, put it down in the comments below what you'd like me to do next, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you click the like button 3 times, it will turn either gold or it make a little sound. So that should be it for today guys. Sorry if it turns off a bit late because I have to turn this off somehow. So yeah, and I'll see you.